I did order a personal compact blender and it's finally delivered today. I'm pretty excited to open the box to see what inside it. This is the Sboly personal compact blender. Oh, the box is not heavy at all. Let's see what inside the box. So it's come with the ice tray. So whatever you're blending, you can put in the ice tray and keep in the refrigerator. And this is the blending bottle, also a drinking bottle, so you can use for drinking as well. This is the cleaning brush to clean the bottle. And this is the blending blade. It is a little bit hard to open from it. This is the actual machine. It's also come with 2 extra gasket. Let's see how to assemble it. So to assemble, you just have to attach the blending blade with the bottle, and that's all. It's pretty easy to assemble. This is the first product I did assemble so easily. That's all. Here you go. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys. Bye bye.